Hi, I'm Sylvia Mayer, an arbitrator, mediator, and attorney located in Houston, Texas, serving as a neutral in disputes all around the country. Thank you for clicking on Mayer on mediation and arbitration. Today, I want to talk about the power of flexible thinking. In mediations, there is often a wide disparity between what each side wants and what either side can realistically get. And the way we bridge this resolution divide is through flexible thinking. Flexible thinking means adapting and adjusting as the situation evolves, as the facts and the law and the emotions play out. Flexible thinking allows one party to accept that maybe the facts aren't as clear-cut as they thought they were. Flexible thinking allows another party to recognize that perhaps the law is not as certain as they thought it was. Sometimes flexible thinking enables the parties to recognize that there may be practical constraints around what their settlement options realistically may be. Whatever the needs of a particular dispute, flexible thinking leads to receptivity, meaning that it leads people to become more receptive to new information, to new ideas, to new options and opportunities for resolution. To illustrate flexible thinking outside of the dispute resolution context, let's consider Lisa McCourt's "I Love You, Stinky Face." In this book, Mama is reading a bedtime story to her child. She says, "I love you, my wonderful child." The child responds with a series of questions to explore the boundaries of Mama's love. The child says, "What if I were a smelly skunk named Stinky Face?" Mama responds, "I would give you a bubble bath and I would say, 'I love you, Stinky Face.'" "Well, what if I were an alligator with sharp teeth?" Mama responds, "I would buy you a big toothbrush and say, 'I love you, my dangerous alligator.'" "But what if I were a slimy swamp monster?" Mama says, "Then I would live by the swamp to care for you and tell you, 'I love you, my slimy swamp monster.'" The questions continue as the child continues to explore the boundaries of Mother's love and becomes confident in Mama's love. Mama's flexible thinking and her unconditional love help her child fall asleep safe in that love. While outside of the story, in the real world, we too can use flexible thinking to solve problems. We can use flexible thinking to get us from being far apart to a resolution. We can use flexible thinking to adapt and adjust. We can use flexible thinking to become receptive to new ideas, new information, new opportunities. Flexible thinking may just be what we need in order to move down the path to resolution. Thank you for joining me today. Please connect with me on LinkedIn or subscribe to my YouTube channel.